Alright, today we're talking about car buying and auto loans and basically the steps to going through the car buying process. And you're in for a treat because we have an auto loan expert or e-lending specialist, Connie Seifert, with us. Step one, figure out how much money you're willing to spend on the vehicle. And make sure that you put this into your budget and that you know what you're willing to spend. And also be thinking about whether you're going to do a trade-in or if you're going to need a down payment prepared as well. Most people are payment shoppers.
That's definitely correct. Most people come in and want a certain payment. Remember to budget for your payment, and also remember you've got tax, title, and license that you've got to add. And that will increase your payment, sometimes $20 to $40. So you got to think about all of that. Then also they have doc fees. Different dealerships have different doc fees. So please think about all of that once you start your payment.
Step two is getting pre-approved for the loan. So you want to go to your bank or credit union like us, and we advise that you actually steer away from dealerships. Is that right, Connie?
That is correct. One of the reasons why you don't want to go through a dealership is because they will pull your credit numerous of times. And each time they do that, it could decrease your credit score. So that's one of the best reasons not to go through a dealership. Do your own shopping for your rates. Don't take dealerships' rates as the best rate for you, because it might not be. Just remember, higher the score, the better the rate. Newer the vehicle, better the rate. Shorter the term, better the rate. So always remember those three things that will make you have a better rate. It's going to be your higher score, newer car, shorter term. So always remember those three things.
And that brings us to step number three, which is actually figuring out what car you want to buy. Do you want to buy a new car? Do you want to buy a used car? Do you want to buy a domestic car versus an international car? Because that might affect your maintenance fees. Do you want to get something that has good gas mileage? You want to buy a car that fits your lifestyle. And make sure that you look at the Carfax if they're available.
Always look at the Carfax. That's basically the history of the vehicle that you're buying if you're buying a used vehicle. New vehicle will not have a history. You're going to create the history for it. But always look at the history of the vehicle, which is your Carfax. It's going to show how often the maintenance was done, where the maintenance was done, how many owners there were. It's just going to show you a complete history and if there was an accident on the vehicle or airbags deployed. So please look at the Carfax.
And for the fun part, step number four is actually going to the dealership to buy your car.
Always remember, don't get caught up in all the hype. Well, you know, you can get this for $10 more, you can get this. Before long, you're totally out of your budget. You've walked out of there and you're like, I came out with $100 higher payment. You don't want that. Just stay with your budget, stay with your lender, and everything will be perfect.
If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. See you guys next time.